Welcome to the installation video for the Pure Storage Array flash adapter. First on the agenda, we're going to verify our system compatibility against the documentation, create a least privileged user to use on the adapter, install the management pack into vRealize Operations Manager, and then we're going to configure the adapter instance. First, I need you to go to docs.vmware.com to find the documentation. We will do a quick search in here for True Visibility Suite documentation, and that'll bring up all of the adapters. From there, you can scroll down to the one you're using. In this case, it's Pure Storage Array. The first page, we got a basic overview of what the adapter has built into it, and then we have a system requirements section that has both information on the endpoint and versioning. Then we have a configuration guide for the least privileged user. So let's hop into that. We're going to log into our Pure Storage Array, and from there we'll go into Settings, Users, and we want to verify two fields. The group base is the first field we want to check out. That's going to have our organizational unit in it, and then our read-only group. The read-only group is going to limit the amount of permissions the user account will need. Because it is pure, everything's going to be LDAP based. And then the read-only group will have the user we have created in LDAP that we're going to be connecting into the management pack. Next is the pure management pack configuration inside of vRealize Operations Manager. So to do that, we'll go up to the administration page up at the top, and then down into our repository. The very bottom of this page is where we can add or upgrade existing adapters. There we'll find our pack file that has our adapter inside of it. Now there's two options here: install the pack even if it's already installed, and then reset default content. Both those are going to be used if you're doing an upgrade to an existing management pack. The reset default content can be a little tricky because it will overwrite some things. So you may or may not want to use that depending on the update. Once it uploads, it'll go into the install. This part has been greatly sped up to save time. And then we hit finish once it gets installed. And we can add an account and go into our next step here. So the first name that you enter in here is just going to be a friendly name for your reference. On this one, I named it my first pure instance. You can give a description if you'd like. If you're going to have more than one adapter instance, it's best to describe them so that you can tell them at a glance, or other members of the organization can. Here we'll put our pure array host that we connected into, and then we'll add a credential. You can give the credential any name you want. This is a friendly name, and we're going to use the user we configured in our first step. Here you can select the collector that I'll be running off from. In my environment, that'll just be default. Under the advanced settings, we have SSL configuration. We'll add our adapter. When it first starts up, you'll see this warning sign. That just means it hasn't made a full collection yet. It's perfectly normal and it will go away. I've sped this up too, and our status is green, which means we're collecting and metrics are coming in. If you have any additional questions, please contact your VMware rep. Thank you.